Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about two commands. One is move faces and another is copy faces. So let's get started. First we will learn about move faces. For example, these are two holes in this triangle. And what if we just want to move these holes from this location to this location or this location? So in this case we will just use move faces command. So let me just change the visual style from here to 2D wireframe, and for move faces I will go in solid editing panel, and from here I will click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the move faces command. I will click to activate this one, and at command line you can see it is saying select face. Okay, so I will select the face of that particular object that I want to move. For example, I want to move this one. Okay, so I will select this one to move this one. I will just click here and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify a base point. Okay, so I just want to move from mid, okay, or center. So I will click here. Now it is asking about specify a second point of displacement. So I want to move it on here, okay, on this side. So I will click here. Now you can see it is going to move from here to here. Okay, I will just press escape to come out of command. Now again I just want to move this to this edge. Okay, for that I will just go here and I will click to activate this one. Again I will go here and I will select this one. Okay, and then I will hit enter. Now I will just click on center. You can just click anywhere here to pick the point. Okay, so I will click on center and I will move it here. Now you can see it is going to move to the edge of this drawing, and I will just click on escape. Okay, to come out of command I will go here and I will change visual style to realistic, and you can see here these holes are moved from this location to this location. I will go here in orbit option and I will just rotate this one, and you can see here. Okay, this is what we get here. Okay, so this was what move faces option. Okay, let's see copy faces. So I will just go here and I will just click on south west isometric, and again I will go here and I will change to 2D wireframe. Let's see what is the copy faces option. So for example, I just want to copy this face of this drawing. So for that I will just go here and I will just activate copy faces. Okay, this command, and now I will select that particular face. For example, I want this top. I will click here to select this one, then I will hit enter. Okay, now it is asking about specify a base point, so I will just give this point as a base point. Now it is asking about specify a second point of displacement, so I have to just give the point where I want to move this. Okay, so for example I want to move here. Okay, now you can see it is going to copy, the face is going to copy here. Now I can just extrude this one to make the same. Okay, so I will just click on extrude command and I will select this, I will hit enter, and now I can just move it anywhere. Okay, so for example I will move it here. So now these are two same shape. So this is the benefit of copy faces option. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.